In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share files and folders using Google Drive. Google Drive is an incredibly versatile tool that allows you to store files online, access them from any device, and importantly, share them effortlessly with others. Whether you're collaborating with colleagues or sharing memories with family and friends, mastering this process will make it all seamless. First, let's navigate to Google Drive and make sure you're logged into your account. This is your digital storage space where you can organize all your documents, spreadsheets, and much more. If you're not already signed in, you may be prompted to enter your email and password. Once you're all set, you'll see your Drive's main interface where your files are located. Now, let's find the file or folder you wish to share. Simply navigate through your Drive, and when you found what you're looking for, right-click on it. This will open up a menu of options that you can perform with the selected item. From the menu, choose the option labeled Share. Clicking on this will open a dialog box where you can manage the sharing settings. It's important to get familiar with these options because depending on whom you're sharing with and what their needs are, you might want to adjust the permissions accordingly. You'll see two main options for adjusting the sharing settings: restricted and anyone with the link. With both of these, you can further decide the level of access. Selecting viewer means the person can only see the file. Commenter lets them add comments but not edit, and editor provides full editing rights. These settings are crucial depending on whether you just want someone to see a document or collaborate on it. Once you've selected the right sharing settings that suit your needs, it's time to copy the link. Click on the copy link button and you're ready to distribute this link. You can send it through email, chat, or even share it on social media, making it incredibly easy for others to access the file or folder you're sharing. Finally, after you've made sure everything is set, simply click on Done. This saves your settings and gets rid of the sharing dialog box, bringing you back to your Drive's main interface. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can quickly and easily share documents and entire folders using Google Drive. It's a great way to ensure smooth collaboration and consistent access to important files for anyone you choose to share them with. Go ahead and try it out and watch how sharing becomes second nature. See you in the next video.